Okay, we're in Naples, Italy. Look how cool this street looks. Some really beautiful, beautiful buildings. Sun is starting to go down as well. And I think we're going towards Toledo. I think it's still called Via Toledo. And we're gonna go down this street all the way to towards the metro station of Toledo. Alright, so we're in Naples. So I'm going to try to capture some of the beauty of these buildings here. A lot of traffic right now as well. Actually, it's pretty amazing. And check out that giant billboard as well. And I also saw this other building that was equally amazing as well, which is this red one coming up. We're going to try to view it from different angles, but that was actually kind of interesting too. A lot of motorcycles, a lot of traffic. So yeah, this whole area looks really interesting. Piazza. Yeah, actually I also saw it's about 7 o'clock right now, so this building right here also equally looks really interesting as well. And we are gonna try to go across. And then this one right here I saw too. This building right here is a beautiful building. We're gonna try to get across here first. Now we can capture the whole little piazza right here. And also just all this little space in here too. You can just kind of show it off real quick. Like a vegan restaurant, vegetarian. It's got these massive corridors too. Yeah, I was just really impressed by it. Gonna try to capture some of the beauty of the street. So it's about 7 o'clock at night. Let's see if we can get across here real quick. So I guess I have to go try to go down like that. Not so easy for going down. Okay. Looks like we made it. A little construction spot right there. Dang. Yeah, Naples keeps you alive. It's a kind of interesting city. Very interesting city, actually. A lot of interesting side streets as well. It's actually quite amazing city, actually. have all these little side streets as well. Really beautiful. So I think this is called Via Toledo. I'll try to see if I can find a name. Coca-Cola Point. I know we're walking back towards Toledo anyways. Kind of trying.
Non dispiace più a me, non lo voglio dire da te, tutti mi vogliono, con la mano che così, ma non vengono così, grazie, non devono tirare, ma come fanno a pigliare tu? Voglio sera titoli, e titoli, ma qui la Spagna, titoli,